Hey everyone, today we are going to do a poem, The Mystery of the Talking Fan. Mystery means something secretive, and it is composed by Maude Rubin. So let's start. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled, he ran as still as water. Let's recite it once more. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled, he ran as still as water. I hope you have observed the rhyming scheme of its poem, that is A, B, C, B, as there is no sound matching to A, so we have given the third line number C. And chatter and matter have familiar sounds at the end, so we have given the same number B. D, E, D, E. As we have to give same number to the lines ending with same type of sound. So, oiled, spoiled, these lines have given same number D, and motor, water. They are rhyming, so they have given the number E. So, the rhyming scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B, D, E, D, E. We have taken out the rhyming scheme of the whole poem as it is a short poem. Now let's go through its meaning. Once there was a talking fan. Here, the fan we are talking about is the ceiling fan of a room, right? So, talking fan. We know fan doesn't talk. Here, the fan is making some noise. That is why the poet considered it as talking. Electrical his chatter. Chatter means what it is conveying. His the poet is referring to the fan. Electrical his chatter means it is the electricity which makes him chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. I is referring to the poet, and the poet himself is narrating the poem. So, I couldn't quite hear what he said means poet is unable to understand what it is saying. And I hope it doesn't matter. And according to poet, nobody is interested to understand what a fan is saying. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. Now, what is a whirling motor? A fan has two parts, three wings, and in the center, which makes the wings rotate, is whirling motor. Okay, so somebody oiled his whirling motor means somebody had greased the whirling motor so that its noise may get reduced. And all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Spoiled means getting ruined. So all the mystery was spoiled. Here the poet get disheartened because he wanted to decode or to understand what the fan was saying. Before he could decode, someone has oiled the fan and he ran as still as water. Means again his movement, whose movement? Fan's movement became very smooth just as water. So, I hope this poem is clear to you all. Let's recite it once more. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. I hope you all have observed the literary device used in this poem. It is the personification. Yes, personification. What do you mean by personification? When anything other than a human being is considered as a person, it's called as a personification. Like fan is a non-living thing and it is considered as a person or human being. That is why the poet is calling it his, him. Okay, so here the fan is used as a person. That is what personification is. I hope you all understood the poem well. Bye bye. Have a nice day.